The lost city of Atlantis has captivated humanity for millennia. It lies deep beneath the waves. Around 360 BCE, Plato described Atlantis as a powerful island civilization that vanished in a catastrophe. Was it myth or history? Plato's dialogues paint Atlantis as an advanced society beyond the Pillars of Hercules, ruled by kings descended from Poseidon. Scholars debate its inspirations. Some point to the Minoan eruption on Thera, which devastated the island and inspired flood myths. Others suggest events like the Tartessos culture in Spain or American continents misidentified by explorers. Archaeological evidence remains elusive. Yet, similar stories appear in cultures worldwide, hinting at a shared memory of cataclysm. Modern searches using sonar and satellites continue, but Atlantis eludes us. Is Atlantis a cautionary tale by Plato or a forgotten chapter of human history? The debate rages on. What do you think?